Hi guys, here 7 plus 3 square is 9 times 4 minus 1 in bracket. Here 7 plus 9 is 16 times 4 minus 1 in bracket. Here 16 times 4 minus 1 is 3. Here 16 times 3 is 48 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 48 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here, 7 plus 3 square times the bracket is 4 minus 1 is 3. Here we have next priority is the exponent. We have the exponent here is 3 power 2. So we have to do this 3 power 2 before this addition and multiplication. So 7 plus 3 power 2 is 9 times 3. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 7 plus 9 times 3 is 27. Here 7 plus 27 is 34 is the correct answer.